Hi guys, on this gloriously beautiful Friday. It's just amazingly beautiful out here. I've been out here since 8 o'clock this morning. First thing we did was put together the swing stand. After that, I started working in the yard. I started raking, cleaning out, but I took it easy today because I just can't, I just can't do it all in one day. So I have to take it slow. And I did, and I put a lot of stuff out here. I put Vaji's new bed. I put this little guy, remember him? I put that three-faced planter out. I put the little Eiffel Tower. I put that rooster there. I put the basket with that new floral arrangement thing. I put the little frog prints right there, the little frog prints lantern. And the umbrella's ready to roll for the season, but not yet. I don't want the wind taking it away. Put that farmer's market bucket right there underneath the Guinness opener so that the caps fall in there. Did I do any changes over here? No. There's Vaji's swing bed that's going to my local thrift. I put that basket there. That new basket with the metal stand. I love it. All right, let's see what else we put out. There's that new storage box that I put together. Crazy thing. It's really sturdy though, and I'm pretty happy with it. All right, let's see. What did we put up over here? We have all of our grills right there. These I have to put back up. I have to get some wire and hang those back here in front, right here. And oh, I put the Nashville Guitar Shop sign right there. Isn't that awesome? I really love that sign. And I put those new license plates that we got. The New Mexico, the Arizona, the Nebraska, the Alaska. I put those there. I put Shakespeare right there on that little table. And those bronze musician kids that I had gotten, remember? I put them there. And my little frog planters are right there in front. I have pots for them. They're ready to go in the spring. And what else did I put? Let me think here. I put this beautiful cross right there. Remember that one? Put that there. I put this little guy. Remember this Maori guy? Put him there. I'm pretty sure I definitely did hang another cross somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, there it is, right by the humpback whale. Remember the whale? And there's the other cross that was new. And then over here, I hung those Mexican, those 3 gold brass Mexican plaque things that I got. And I hung that beautiful antique bell right here. It's amazing. Oops, hold on. Let me put that down. I've been working too hard today. So beautiful. I'm gonna put this little dude out here, if you remember him. He was hanging on the bell, but he was muting it, so I love that. Really beautiful, so heavy duty. And some guys were working, putting central air in by my neighbor. And so I was so happy to have some workmen there because I needed a longer screw with a bigger head. And I asked them if they had one, and they did, because this hole needed a bigger, longer screw, because this thing weighs a ton. They had one for me, so that was cool. I put this little guy here. I think that's the only change here. Oh, I put him, that little leaf-faced man, over there. Really cute. I was able finally to straighten that Honduran mahogany eagle, so I was happy about that. I was able to rake from there to there. That's as much raking as I did today, because I really couldn't do much of that after everything else I did. So I'll do a little bit every time. It's beautiful. So the plant I showed you yesterday or a couple of days ago is right here. I put it right here under the tiki umbrella. There's the basket that we kept that we put under there every year. And everything looks amazing. So, oh, I put that anchor right there at the end of my chain. That's the pirate chain, which I love. Looks like you're walking a gangplank when you come up to the deck. Vaji did find his favorite place every single year. I'm here behind you, buddy. Right there. Oh, hi, buddy. He loves that place. So, and of course, oh, I put the railroad lantern, the antique railroad lantern right there. Beautiful. And here is where I put the swing. And believe me, every break I took today, I swung on this swing. And I just absolutely love it. And I put it right here by the hammock because I thought that when somebody's swinging in the hammock, someone else can sit in this swing and chat, hang out, chat. So Raymond can be in the hammock, I could be in the swing, or Raymond can be in the swing, I could be in the hammock, and it's just perfect. So I still have a lot of work to do because you can see all the leaves back there. I'll get those out a little bit at a time, little section at a time. But I'm so happy to have this glorious weather. Honestly, I can't even believe we're having a day like this in March. And I'm pretty happy about it. So swinging in this chair is great. And this morning when I put the chair together, like I put these knots in it to shorten it up because it was really low. And I got in the chair and I could not, I got in the swing and I couldn't get out. That is what old people with arthritis deal with, and I could not get out. So if it's not too embarrassing, I will put it in outtakes at the end. I had to literally fall out and get up on my knees. It's like, oh my God. I was like, how old am I? What the hell? So anyway, it's pretty funny. But anyway, I got it together. It was very easy to put together. And this swing, oh, it is so comfortable. And I am loving it. Like I said, every break that I took today was in this swing. And Craig texted me and said, what a perfect day for soaking up vitamin D. And I said, yeah, hell yeah. I said, I've been working in the yard since 8 a.m. And it's like now 3 o'clock. I'm going to just, absorb every minute of this beautiful weather. Because I can feel a little bit of a breeze is starting to pick up. And we're supposed to get more storms tomorrow. More rain and possibly some pretty crazy thunderstorms because the weather's, the temperature's going to drop. But, man, I will take it for today. This is so amazing. Actually, a couple of things I forgot to mention. This afternoon, I'm burning the Krampus, that beautiful Krampus incense right there. So, really, really fun. And a couple of things I forgot to show you that I put out. The Viva Bene sign and the Buona Fortuna, remember those? I was finding stuff I forgot about even. It was so fun putting everything out. And then I put this little grape basket thing right here on this little table back here because the vase I had on there broke. And then I wanted to show you two little solar lanterns that I found in Family Dollar. They're really cute. And I put them up last night, and one of them was really glowing nicely, but the other one needed sun. And today, it will have plenty of sun. That one and that one. And I also put up that little, remember that mandala kind of, the beautiful thing. I love that. And look, I have packages on my porch. Very fun. He looks so great right there, doesn't he? I put some stones in him to weight him down in case we have a windstorm. But we are so getting there. This season is coming, guys. Almost there. I was going to sit outside on the deck and do a video with you guys today, but the guys were working literally on the other side of the fence. And that's how I knew they were there. And that's how I got that longer screw that I needed. So, really fun. The hammock right there, the swing right there. These two are going to work together perfectly for hanging out, conversation, brews, whatever. And I really, really love this swing. These swings are just, what do you call it? I don't know, cotton or whatever they're made out of. But so they're not like a long lasting thing, but they're perfect for a season and they're cheap enough. I think I got this red one from Walmart for like, I think it was $35, if not less. So I love it. This swing over here I've had forever because this is like a Pier 1 swing and it costs more like $400, and this thing will last a lifetime. So, so that's what I did today, guys. Very, very fun. So anyway, guys, I hope it's as beautiful where you are. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Oh, I don't want it to go away. I can't wait to put my umbrella up and get everything. I did clean off the entire deck. I got all the leaves off the deck. But it was so muddy this morning because of the rain we had yesterday that all this like dried mud is on my deck, and I've been sweeping it, but you know what? It's gonna rain tomorrow, so I might as well just let it wash away that way. And but I got every leaf off the deck, and I'm so happy about that because now I'm ready for the season, and that is what it's all about. So I hope you're having a magical, mystical, musical day. Comment, subscribe, spread that love. Tink merch below, Radio Tink podcast link below. Follow Radio Tink on Facebook. And remember, until next time, I love every one of you. I wish you could all hang out in my yard with me because we're going to have a beautiful season this year, I have a feeling. I will talk to you all next time. See you later. Do that. I can't get out. Oh my God.